Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube. This content is not available. Try it again later problem. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a number of different fixes what we can try. I'm going to start with the most common fix first. So the fix number one is to check your internet connection. So try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or even restarting your router. Now, if your connection is unstable, YouTube may fail to load these videos. Now, fix number two is to refresh or reload the page here. So on your keyboard, click on Control and F5, and that's going to do a hard refresh for YouTube. Fix number three is to clear your cache and data. So if you're on a Google Chrome, you can follow along on Firefox or Microsoft Edge, etc. So basically, you want to get in the settings and look for privacy and security. Then from there, we need to click on delete browsing data. Make sure it's set to all time. Click on show more and just make sure these two are checked. Cached images and files and cookies and other site data. And then click on delete data. Now, next fix is to disable any VPNs or proxies running in the background because YouTube may block or restrict certain regions. Next fix is to go ahead and go to your extensions. So click on to manage extensions, disable all extensions, come back to YouTube, do a refresh. If your problem is fixed, that means it is an extension related problem. So come back to your extensions and enable these one by one while refreshing YouTube and try and find which culprit it is.